Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Hi guys, good afternoon. Nice to meet you. I'm Suchona, a student. I live at Shajapur Khilla in Sherpur district. My school's name Sherpur Girls High School. I am running a student of class 8. In my studies, I am very sincere and in behavior I am very polite. My father's name Akramanjaman and he is a teacher. My mother's name Ruhima Akhtar and she is a housewife. I am only one daughter of my parents. My favorite hobby is gardening. I like to read storybooks and take coffee, but I dislike soft drink and cheating. I want to be a doctor in future. I want to help the poor people, and I also want to serve them free medical facilities. So pray for me, and that's all. Bye.